welcome back to my channel. Or if you're new, this is your first time, welcome. Today we're going to chalk on a Couture metal frame. It's 9 by 12. Let's see here. It's a 9 by 12 reclaimed metal tray. Okay? So what we're going to do is I have some different parts of different transfers. I have this welcome to our, it came with one of the subscription transfers, welcome to our home. So I just cut it apart and it's going to say welcome to, and then I'm going to put farmhouse. This is from the Christmas set. I'm going to only chalk farmhouse. So with the tape, I'm going to tape off I'm dreaming of and block off here a part of the Christmas so that doesn't come out, and so that it will say welcome to our farmhouse. Okay, so let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is fuzz your transfer. Fuzz it really well, since this metal will the transfer will stick really good to this metal, and you want to be able to pull it off easily so you don't pull on your transfer or stretch it out. So we're going to fuzz it really good here. Okay, and then I'm going to put that here at the top, and then my farmhouse. We're going to fuzz this really good too. Okay. So I'm going to overlap it just a little bit there. And then smooth it out. And then we have this tape. It's sort of like a washi tape, I would say. It feels like washi. So I'm just going to cover what I don't want so that I don't get chalk on there. Okay, and then there's just a piece of the word Christmas that comes up on the M that I'm just gonna cover there. Okay, and I'll cover part of the C here just in case I go over. But yeah, this feels just like washi, so if you have some washi tape, you can do the same thing and it'll work. Okay, so I'm going to use the Storm Chalkology paste. Stir it up a little. I want it nice and creamy. Okay, and then I'll get my squeegee, and then we'll start up here. Some there. Okay, so I think we got it all covered. So now let's see how it looks. You always want to pull top to bottom, never diagonal. You can also go side to side, but make sure you don't go diagonal because you could ruin your transfers and your design. Okay. Let's see how it came out. Oh, I like it. So, there you have it. Quick and easy. Welcome to our farmhouse. It's perfect in the kitchen or your little coffee bar. So, all right, that's it for today's video. If you have any questions or comments, you can leave them below, and I'll be sure to answer your questions. If you want some more information on how to become a Chalk Couture designer, also you could leave a comment below. I have the link also below where you can get more information and ideas from the website. So thanks for watching. Till next time. Bye.